Hey guys, welcome back to Study Circle. In the last video we have seen what is big data processing is and what is the processing paradigm in terms of Apache Hadoop. Then we have seen what were the limitations of Apache Hadoop and how based on those limitations the use cases we introduced one new component called Apache Spark. Now let's deep dive into what Apache Spark is all about. Apache Spark, in the last video we have seen the definition. It's an in-memory data processing framework. Now we know that there were a lot of use cases to which Apache Hadoop was not capable of catering, and that's why Apache Spark came into picture. Therefore, Apache Spark is all about solving those specialized use cases. Let's start with what is Apache Spark Unified Stack is all about. Apache Spark is always, when you try to learn Spark, it's always about Spark components. What are the components or libraries that you are going to work? When you see the upper layer of this entire diagram, these are all the libraries that Apache Spark consists of. These are all specially designed, customized libraries meant to solve a special use case. Let's start from the first one. The first is the Apache Core. So let's say you are driving a car, then Apache Spark Core is the main engine of the Spark, engine of your car. So it's a basic component based on which the entire Spark story runs. The Spark work on multiple servers within cluster. So it has to process the data, it has to divide the data into multiple clusters, then process it, manage the movement of data within the cluster, within in-memory, and manage the logs, and it has to do a lot of things. So as a developer we should not be worried about all these things. So this abstraction of entire process of whatever happens inside is done and handled by Spark Core. So we just need to write an API and that internally will take care of the entire technicalities. So Spark Core is the basic component. Then the next component that we'll see is graph. In today's world we see Facebook or Google or even the data aggregator services, they majorly work on graph. They try to analyze the user behavior based on the graph. So that we have a Spark graph library specially designed to cater that use case. Then we see around us a lot of machine learning. What is ML? ML stand for machine learning. Machine learning use cases where we have a lot of analytics going on. So to cater that need, we have Spark ML. We'll have a separate video ahead where we'll go in detail of each and every component. So just try and understand what each component is there for. So ML is there for machine learning. Then we need to analyze the structured data, unstructured data. So for all these analysis, Spark SQL is there. Then to cater the real-time streaming data, to cater it fast, to cater the data quickly and deliver the result quicker. So all these like real-time data arriving is all managed by Spark streaming component. So Spark streaming component is specially designed for that. Then we in the last video also said that Spark caters to almost all the technology that are popular today, that is Hadoop, OpenStack, Redshift, MongoDB, Cassandra, Solr, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services. Almost to all major technologies Spark has interconnectivity, seamless interconnectivity or APIs we can say. So this is the unified stack which is available. Whatever components we saw, Spark Core forms the basis of the entire Spark story, and these are all the components which are specially designed for use cases. So for structured unstructured data analysis, Spark SQL is there. For real-time data processing, Spark streaming is there. For MLlib, machine learning, MLlib is there, and GraphX, we have graph library. So these are the special components. And just to give you some more information, that Spark can be standalone, can work as a standalone, deployed on the servers, can work with Yarn, that is can be deployed in parallel with Hadoop, and can also work with mesos. So this is all about unified stack of Spark. In the next upcoming videos, we'll go deep dive into each and every component separately. We'll have a separate video for Spark Core, Spark SQL, streaming, MLlib, and GraphX. We'll understand what are the use cases they cater and how they are, how we can go to Apache org site and try to learn with the help of some of the examples. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned to understand each and every component of the Spark. Thank you.